ShredRack.com!
Hi there. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to mount the ShredRack Air with skis and snowboards onto your car. Like described on the back of your bag, we're going to go through the following steps: inflation, proper folding of the bladder, rolling and closing the racks, and mounting them with the according straps. Let's get started. First, remove the two racks from the bag and unroll them. We'll start with inflation using the handy punching bag built into each air bladder. With your left hand, take the bladder at the end and hold it loosely just below the lower cord. With your right hand, hold the end of the pump and extend it so it fills with air. Grasp the end of the pump firmly with your right hand so no air can escape. Use your right hand to force the air into the bladder. Make sure that the air channel is always straight in order to ensure the best airflow. The next step is to close the rack to prevent the air from escaping. Close the two Velcro straps so the airflow channel is pinch closed and no air can get out. Double check that the folded edge is straight and doesn't have any wrinkles. Push the loose end of the pump into the rack so that it doesn't disturb the channel. Close the outer portion of the rack with the Velcro and start rolling down the end. Make sure you are also rolling the open end of the bladder while doing this. Finally, close the buckles and you're done. The red loops can now be used for extra security. Repeat this process for the other rack. Now let's mount the gear on your car roof. Make sure your roof is clean in order to prevent damage or scratching the roof of your vehicle. And then place the racks according to your gear. It's important to find the right spots where your roof is reinforced, and also make sure to observe the maximum load of your vehicle. Once the racks are in place, just lay the gear on top of them. Now let's start with the strapping. Always use the lashes of the racks to fix everything together. It's also a good idea to loop the webbing straps through your gear. Close the straps with the buckles. It helps to place the first rack above the B column so the strap doesn't disturb the driver. Again, make sure to use the lashes of the racks wisely. Now go to the other side of the vehicle and repeat this procedure. If the straps aren't long enough, you can easily extend them by attaching two straps together. If needed, you may also use the trunk of your vehicle to secure the rear rack. This can be especially helpful with three-door cars. Finally, tighten the straps firmly and store the leftover webbing into the neoprene pockets so there's no noise or fluttering while driving. Always keep in mind the driver is responsible for the securing and safety of the load. Retension the straps after 20 kilometers of driving. Double check each item for damaged parts before using. Keep in mind the forces present while driving at higher speeds. Make sure not to block any curtain airbags while placing the webbing straps. Finally, enjoy your next adventure and make sure to share your stories with us. To deflate, just open the racks and unroll the bladder. Gently push on the rack and then pull the pump end of the bladder in order to get the air channel open. This should help the air escape quickly. Roll everything up and put it back into the bag.
ShredRack! The most useful inflatable car roof rack in